Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make fried rice like a pro. First, always use day-old cold rice. This is crucial for that perfect, non-sticky texture. Think of it as your secret weapon. Before you even turn on the heat, gather and chop all your ingredients. This mise en place ensures a smooth, fast cooking experience, typically taking only about 5 to 7 minutes once you start. The key to restaurant-quality fried rice is intense heat. Get your wok or large pan screaming hot before adding about 2 tablespoons of a high smoke point oil, like peanut or vegetable oil. This prevents sticking and creates that desirable wok-high flavor. Stir-fry your ingredients continuously and rapidly, ensuring everything cooks evenly in just a few minutes. Build your flavors in layers. Start by quickly sautéing aromatics like 1 tablespoon of minced garlic and 1 teaspoon of ginger for about 30 seconds. Then, add your chosen protein, such as 1 cup of diced chicken or shrimp, cooking until nearly done. Next, introduce your vegetables, stir-frying until crisp tender. Finally, add your sauces, like 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, right before the rice. Once your fried rice is perfectly mixed and heated through, it's time for the finishing touches. Garnish generously with about 1/4 cup of freshly chopped green onions or cilantro for a burst of freshness and vibrant color. Serve your delicious creation immediately, ensuring it's enjoyed at its peak warmth and aroma. Remember to taste and adjust seasonings as needed for your perfect bowl.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.